Hi guys, just a quick update. Sorry I haven't been updating more frequently, just that I believe as a Christian we're also called to fight politically for justice and righteousness. So in the UK I've been doing that a lot um, with Tommy, etc., and some of the crazy stuff that's going on. Um, but I just wanted to tell you guys very quickly that I have watched quite a few rapture theories uh, that are happening in the future, but I'm not going to talk about any of them because at the moment there's nothing that can compare with the ones we've already had. Needless to say, that tomorrow and the next day marks the end of the wheat season in the church or the wheat harvest. So I just thought I'd put that out there. Um, but other than that, I'm keeping my ear to the ground, so to speak. Um, I'm watching very closely what's happening with Iran and with Israel and between the UK and Iran. Um, so yeah, still got a feeling that time is short, although the feeling I have isn't as strong as, say, the Revelation 12 sign, or even when Pastor Sandy was talking about the rapture happening back earlier this year. But just to say that the wheat season comes to an end tomorrow and the next day. So let's keep looking up, eh? Thanks. Cheers. Bye.